We'll guide you through how to use color replacement tool in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, right-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop or taskbar. From the menu that appears, click Open to launch the browser. After the browser opens, click on the address bar, type Photopea, and press Enter on your keyboard to search. When the search results appear, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, to open the official website. The Photopea homepage will appear on your screen. Click the Open from Computer button to access the image you want to edit. Browse your files, locate the photo you prepared earlier, click on it, and then open it. Once the editing workspace finishes loading, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard to fit the entire canvas neatly to your screen for a better view. In this example, the goal is to change the basketball's original orange color into alternating blue and red sections. Before making any edits, prepare the blue and red colors by placing them into the two color boxes shown in the toolbar. Next, right-click the Brush Tool menu and select the Color Replacement tool from the available options. Open the brush settings and adjust the hardness value to 0% so the color transitions appear smooth and natural. Keep in mind that the Color Replacement tool does not affect black or white areas, so those colors will remain unchanged. Begin brushing over the basketball with the red color first. For greater precision, use the zoom feature whenever you need to work on smaller details or improve accuracy. After completing all the red sections, continue brushing with the blue color to create the alternating pattern. Work slowly and carefully throughout the process to achieve clean and attractive results. If you accidentally color an incorrect area, simply press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to undo the last action. When you finish, press Ctrl+0